Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in Volvo S60 easy method. Begin by warming the engine for 5 minutes, then park on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Lift the car with a jack and secure it on jack stands, then remove the oil fill cap to allow faster drainage. Wear gloves, position the drain pan, and loosen the drain. After the oil drains, wipe the drain area and inspect for metal particles that could indicate engine wear. Install a new crush washer and tighten the drain plug to the manufacturer torque suggestion without over-tightening. Remove the old filter, lubricate the new filter gasket with fresh oil, and hand-tighten the new filter until snug plus a quarter turn. Pour the correct amount of 5W30 oil recommended for your Volvo S60, then reinstall the oil cap. Start the engine and let it idle for a minute while watching for leaks under the car and near the filter. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then use the dipstick to confirm the level is at the full mark and adjust if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.